This is the virtual tour of 942 Wescott Trail, apartment 202, here on June 25th, 2019. So coming into the unit is the kitchen, and everything, by the way, in the video looks smaller than in real life. This room goes all the way down. It's about 24 feet to the end, although it doesn't really look like. It's got a window air. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. You can see the entry buzzer to buzz your friends in, the fire extinguisher. There's a closet here that's it's about 6 feet. Those doors are 6 feet, so it's about a little bit bigger than 6 feet wide and 2 feet deep. There's the entry door, refrigerator, center island. Got an outlet on the island. And we'll go look at just a quick overview of the kitchen. You can see how clean it is. This is remodeled in about 2012. Of course, we keep up on things. There's a Maytag dishwasher, looks like brand new in there. It's not all full of scum. Same thing with the stove. Self-cleaning option on it, so it keeps it nice and clean. It's got fire stops up here, and we did just replace this hood fan. I'm not real keen on the way the fire stops stick out like that. They was kind of hidden up under there, but I didn't think about that till after I already bought it. Freezer, all the shelves are intact, nice and clean. Same thing with the refrigerator. Everything is there. We replaced one of them here this time, so and we'll look on the front side of this center island. It's got some cabinets, a little overhang. You can put a little bar stool there or something. So that was the kitchen. Coming into the hallway. Hopefully they're not going too fast for you, but just to the right here we have a washer and dryer. Dryer on the top. And they're Samsung washer dryers, front loads, use very little water, energy efficient, very little soap, spins fast. So then we're going to come back into the bathroom here. This is the main bathroom for your guests and whoever else. Sink is clean. It's got a mirror. So we're going to come back here. And just so you can get your bearings, this is straight down the center hall. We're going to go into the master bedroom first. The master bedroom is about, I believe this one's about 14 by about 11. I could be wrong on that, but somewhere in there. It's got a window with mini blinds overlooking the woodsy area. Nice and green. A few power companies back there, power cables. Another apartment complex towards the back. Carpet is pretty good shape. It's just been cleaned. Got a nice closet. Once again, those are 6-foot doors, so the closet's plenty wide. And just so you get an idea what all the closets look like, it's just a shelf and not much in there, just a shelf and a bar. In the closet, in the master bath, you got a couple shelves in there, toilet, shower, everything's nice and clean. And even under here, this is a nice clean area underneath there. It's not falling apart like some that I've seen. Tile floor. So that's the master bedroom. The center bedroom is the smallest, and this is only about 8 by 10 bedroom, and it's got a closet on the side. I'll open up this closet for you so you can see. Once again, just a shelf and a bar, nothing fancy. Mini blinds on the window. These are still the corded mini blinds. We're switching out to the cordless because that's state law or federal law. Carpet is in good shape as well. except for my footprints. Third bedroom, pretty much the same as the rest. Same carpet, same mini blinds, same closet. This one I think is about 8 by 13 or somewhere in there, 9 by 13. Like I say, a 3-bedroom, 1 3/4 bath, master bedroom. Got a little linen closet here. We can quickly peek at that. Quite a few shelves. Thermostat. We're going to head back to the outside. Window air conditioning. But if you keep it on low, you should have it like a meat locker in here. Many blinds on this window. That window's a little foggy, but still keeps the weather out. Be due for a change soon. But that is the virtual tour of 942 Wescott Trail, apartment 202, here on June 25th, 2019, and it's about 6 o'clock, give or take. Thank you very much.